Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd come on today because I want to make a few sequence mixes to go with some collections, and I thought I'd come on and show you guys how I do it. So I just made this sequence mix here, and this is to go with my December daily, and I'm really happy with how it's turned out. I'm using a new technique, and I think it looks really good. So first one I want to make is like a garden party sequence mix. So I always like to start with my pinks and my whites. So this is my container of pinks and whites, and I'm just going to kind of go through and pick some ones I think are going to work. I don't want this to be muted at all. I want it to be very bright. So I'm just going to go through and pick some. It's going to be very pinky and kind of like yellow tones as well. And then I want some like translucent white, which I think I have some, or maybe I don't. I've got these ones, they might be cool for something different. And then I know I'm going to want some yellow. I think I'll go with those two, and I'm going to do the lemons. So I'm going to start with a white base. I find that it's easiest just to start with a white base. So I'm only making a really small sequence mix today because this is just for one particular project because I don't have that much garden party left. So I'm making a really small one. So then I'm going in with these pinky tones, and I'm kind of just referring back to this every now and again. Now, the main part when I find about making sequence mixes is I mix it in between each one. I used to not do that. I used to just kind of pour a whole bunch into a container and then shake it at the end, and it just never looked as good. And you need to kind of get like the balance. So I'm just kind of pouring and shaking, trying to not get too many in there at once. And then if I do have too many, I can kind of balance it out with my other colors. Now, I know I want to put some translucent ones just to kind of get a different texture. I don't take my sequins out of the bags because then it's just less packaging, and I find that it's a bit more I'm going to put the lemons in now. I find it just a bit more, I don't know, environmentally friendly, I guess, because they just go straight into this container. I don't have a million kind of little containers. This is just going to add a nice pop of yellow. Ooh, I like it. I like it. I want to add these ones in. I think I have some mini, the only like gold ones I have are these ones, which are very like off gold, which I don't want. I want like a nice, you know, like a really bright gold. So I'm going to add some of these kind of yellow ones. This would look really good with sunny days too. Looks good. I'm going to add a little bit of these, just a couple, not a lot. I kind of want to add some green in, but the green that I'm looking for, I don't really think I have. It might look good. I might regret this. I might not. I'm just feeling like it's looking very like summery. No, that's good. I'm happy with that. It's just a little bit of extra color. I also want to add some of these cute butterflies, like a garden kind of thing, and they're also iridescent, which is always fun. So I'm going to mix some in and then give it a mix. Put your finger in there too if you need to. And then I'm also going to put, I want like a pink. I'm finding that it's looking very, that's too hot pink. I want like a baby pink. It's a bit too iridescent. Like this. This is what I'm looking for. There we go. That's better. Okay. Mix that up. Now we could go with some green. I'm just going to pop these back. I love these little lemon slices. I think what I'm going to do is I do want to add some green to this, but I'm going to, I like to, because I'm making a mini one, I'm going to put a little bit into here because I don't need a lot. I just need about that much. And then, so that's the first sequins mix in this container here. And then I'm going to add a little bit of this green here, which is like a glittery one. And this is going to turn it into like a completely different kind of mix. And I want to add some, where are they? I'm going to add some blues in too. Give it a stir. I'll put a few more of these yellow ones in too. And then mix that up again. And then, lucky last, they're a bit too pink, but I have these yellow, white and pink bows, so I think I'm going to add some of those in. Oh, that's way too many. Yeah, I didn't want to add that much in. Still looks cute. So that's my next one, so I'm going to pour that into the container. Says 3 ready-made sequins mixes, and that is how I make my sequins mixes. So just with a few sequins, you know, I think there's about 6 to 10 sequins in each mix, and you're getting some beautiful sequins mixes. So here's just an overview of the ones I've made. This took me about 10 minutes to make all of these sequins mixings using the technique that I showed in the video. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!